God is love, and I promise His love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace, yeah, but you won't find it in the drugs. Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, then freedom is found in the blood. Yeah, He did it for me and my family. Now I'm just trying to spread the love. God is
I'm just sitting here looking dirty, but it is what it is. It is what it is. What it do, man? What it do, gang? Rep your gang and rep your gang. Let your nuts hang and rep your gang. Alright, let me stop. Know what I'm saying? My gang is Jesus. That's my gang.
What's up, kings and queens?
I'm King Mod.
I'm Queen G.
Y'all already know how we rockin'.
We back again with another cooking video, cooking vlog, you know what I'm saying? We doing teriyaki chicken,
Y'all already know how we rockin'.
white rice, and zucchini, onions. Boom. Keep it
Y'all
simple.
already know how we rock. Like cut off style. You feel me? We finna whip this thing up. Cook it up, cook it up. Whip it up, whip it up. Alright, look, man. So
the first thing we're gonna do is you wanna wash your zucchini because you know people be in the stove touching all of them, so you better wash it. So I washed the zucchini. We're gonna chop that up and then go ahead and start unraveling. Not unraveling, but start getting your onion right.
she just cut me off like that.
So, cause you know
Anyway,
what, you
like
don't
I
know what
was
to do
saying,
first.
She finna show us how to make this chicken teriyaki. She finna show me because I don't know how to make it. She finna show y'all. You feel me? So I'm just spectating. You feel me? I ain't helping out on this one.
He's an assistant.
I'm just watching.
Yes, you
Cut
know
me
that.
off like that again. I'm about real talk.
So yeah, go ahead and get your onion right. We're gonna get the onions and zucchini booming first, you know what I'm saying? Because it don't really take long for them to saute, because that's what this is called, saute. Saute them things up. Can you grab the butter?
Some more broccoli. I could put some broccoli with it.
Yes, I could have.
And you should put some eggs with it too. Yeah. So let me go ahead and boil these eggs. Yeah, you ain't think about that, huh? You ain't think all them times you've been this.
Boil? Why are you boiling?
Oh, we gonna find.
Yes.
Whatever. But all them times you've been a samurai. All them times you've been a samurai, you should know how to make this.
And I'm getting us right, because this gonna be able to feed us at least 4 times, but like twice each. So we're gonna be able to eat now.
You want me to go get the broccoli?
Eat later. You want to? You don't mind. King.
Yeah, I can run and go get it. Cause I ain't finna sit up here and watch you cut these onions.
Because your eyes gonna be hurting.
How many eggs you think we need?
It's 3. So yeah, I like to cut my onions and zucchini in like bite sizes, because who wants to be eating some big chopped onions? You know what I'm saying? I feel like it makes it last longer too when you have bite size as well. So we just gonna
Here go your eggs.
get this right.
Don't let them roll. I put them behind the rice box, so don't forget they there. Alright, I'm gonna dump this rice out. That's been here for weeks.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to cut your onions in a second. I'm gonna put the camera down. Could you?
It's called stir fry. You know what I'm saying? Fry rice. Get the egg. All the good stuff. Fry it up together. Ain't that how they do it at Samurai?
Well, I don't have a stir fry pan. It'd be easier if I had a stir fry pan.
You right.
So I have to do stuff
need a
separate.
Yo, we need a bigger skill. That's what it's called.
But it'd be good. It's gonna be good. Y'all gonna see. Cause I'm gonna, you know, you gotta use your resources. You know, use what you got. You know, he always tell me that. So with cooking, I do that for sure. I be using what I got. Cause we gonna eat regardless. So yeah, you just want to go ahead and cut up a whole onion. Cause I'm using a whole onion. Cause you know it's feeding both of us, but you might as well say we feeding 4 people. Cause we like to eat for real, and this be good every time. You can just drive my car. There's money in the thing at the top. So basically, I'm just cutting around this lining. I know y'all see that, and you don't want to cook your chicken with, you know what I'm saying? That ain't it. So basically, I'm setting aside the meat I'm not going to use, and then the meat I am going to use. So you just basically want to cut off that unwanted fat, unwanted everything. That's what I'm doing right now. Cut that off. You don't want this lining. You do not want that lining. And just cut your meat into small pieces, bite-sized pieces. Not too big, not too small. Perfect size. That. And then you're just gonna do that for all of them. So here go the lining. The lining is here. Y'all should be able to see that. This is the lining. And you basically want to cut beside it. Cut beside it. Like so. Cut beside it. Boom. You got you some good chicken right there. Same thing for the other side. You just want to cut off that meat. Boom. Yeah, so you just want to make sure you cut that lining out. Like I said, y'all don't want that lining in y'all chicken. No. Well, I don't want that lining in my chicken. I don't know about y'all, but I don't want that in my chicken. So I guess I speak for myself. Just cut that lining, cut all that meat. Like so. That's the lining. Then, like I said, you want to cut the big chunk into baby bite size or whatever size you choose. I like bite size. And just all meat. So set it to the side. And it's very repetitive. That's all I'm doing is just cutting around the lining and getting my meat. So that's it. So we got our zucchini and onion sauteed, ready to go. And then you want to just lay out your meat flat as possible. I don't know what this is, but it's not supposed to be going there. So boom, lay it out. You just want to sprinkle a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of garlic powder. I usually do onion powder too, but I don't think you have any, so just gonna do garlic powder as well. Now you can go ahead and cook it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this. This is my favorite part because I'm gonna show y'all how to get that thing tasting like teriyaki chicken. You know what I'm saying? So boom, add your chicken. Look good and juicy. Look at the juice at the bottom. Ooh. We also added broccoli, y'all, as well. My baby said he wanted some broccoli, so whatever King wants, King gets. So we're waiting for the broccoli, and the rice is ready. So we'll be taking it out real soon, and we're gonna show y'all our plates in a minute.
Drain off, right? Right?
I mean, a little bit of water.
Let that thing drain off.
A little water is cool. So don't be so dry.
But you scared, oh.
Hey, you waving on that one.
You're not gonna turn the oven off.
Well, that broccoli looking good. Y'all see it? Y'all probably didn't see it for real. This broccoli is looking amazing. Now,
Boy.
I told you guys go fast.
Oh my God. Man, come do this, man.
Baby, look like this. Slide the rice over. Slide the rice over. Stick it in there.
I got it.
Stick it on the side.
I got it. Move, man.
Pretty structured, my wife.
You should have made this in.
Hey, you say you was talking to me. I just want to get up. There you go.
What's that doodle on?
This is what
Broccoli got some doodle on? What's this doodle on? They got doodle on it. She beautiful every day. I rub my hand. I should have layered the butter on it. Butter right now.
Look at that, look at that. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Y'all better come look now. Y'all better come look at this. See, you ain't trying to be stingy. Get your setup.
Hey, we got enough.
Ain't no baby.
We got plenty.
Ain't no baby.
This is gonna be enough for this right now. And I keep it on purpose. I don't know, doesn't he actually really my favorite food? Oh yeah, the man he asked me too, the modeling dude, he asked me, he's like, so what do you like to do? I was like, I like to cook and I like to go to the gym. And then he was like, what do you like to do? I was like, mostly Japanese food. And he thought, ooh, that sounds nice.
That'll be good too, man. Be going stupid every time.
Baby, you need to come with the rice, so I gotta put this
What you
on the
mean?
plate.
The rice is done. What am I doing?
Mixing up the seasoning, butter.
I already did that. It's
Okay,
already
well,
done.
can you put it on the plate?
You need to make the eggs.
Hey, I'm trying not to mess up a lot of dishes. So that's why I just go ahead and put the rice on there, so I can put the broccoli on there, so I can put the meat on there. I gotta take the broccoli out of the pan. I can.
Well, I need to taste the rice and make sure it's up to par. I need to stir all this in. Be quiet. And you're gonna be cooking them too.
It's because of you.
Next thing
But I don't mix it up. I don't think it's not what you need to do. I mean, that ain't me.
rice almost tastes like my dad rice.
Is it done? Is it ready?
I don't know what that was. Almost tastes like my dad rice.
I can just put it on top of the rice. So I gotta just put it on the
like my dad rice. My dad got the best rice. You ever had rice?
Yes. Papa, your rice. Boy, what? Papa, when you made pepper steak that time, I fell in love. I ain't never really had pepper. I never had pepper steak until you made it with rice.
Actually, I mean,
No, Papa was the first one to make it.
he made pepper steak.
Yes. Yes, he did. Because remember, ever since he made it, I was like, Papa, can you make that one thing you made, the movies? And I was like, it had meat, and it had green peppers and yellow peppers and stuff. And he was like, yeah, I remember that. It was like a stir fry.
Alright. The rice is done.
How much you want? A lot?
Got a nice potato. Yeah, I want enough. Not a lot, enough. To fill me up.
Okay.
I want enough to fill me up for now. And so we can have some later. Later. We need some for later. Yeah, that looks about right. Yes, it do. And put that bread on that plate. Here's your bread on your plate. And here's your
Baby, no.
what? We were supposed to be splitting it. I ate my piece, remember? I'm talking about no, but you got like I did something. Alright, y'all, I'm finna whip up these smoothies. Cause I make the best smoothies. Yesterday I messed up though. I put too much liquid. And then the smoothies didn't come out like a smoothie, it came out like a juice. But the important thing is to learn from your mistakes. That's what's important. You know what I'm saying? Cause everybody make mistakes. Everybody mess up. But if you ain't learning from it and you just continuing to do the same mistake over and over and over, that's the problem. You need to check yourself before you wreck yourself. A chickadee check yourself before you wreck yourself. A chickadee check yourself before you wreck yourself. Got the natural cut strawberries. Natural. You know what I'm saying? Pineapples. I got more than compost. This is the strength of my life. I am the head and not the tail. Nah, because that's not what it say. I just thought about that. That is not what it say, because I just read that. He said, if you keep his commandments, he will make you the head and not the tail. But you gotta keep his commandments. You know what I'm saying? He also said if you don't keep his commandments, he will put a bunch of curses on you. And diseases and whatnot. That's what it say. That's what it really say. See, people be half teaching. That's why it's important to read. Reading is important. We're supposed to be half teaching. You know what I'm saying? God said, do not add or subtract from his word. You feel me? Do not add or subtract from his commandments. He said, if you keep my commandments, I will make you the head and not the tail. He also said, if you turn away, I will curse you and your future generations. That's what he really said.
You see what I mean? Just come to the king and put on them drugs. I don't gotta get high no more. I don't gotta get high. He gave me life abundantly. Now I'm living life. This world is not my home. I'm just passing by. This world is not my home. Yeah, I'm just passing by. I ain't never going back, I ain't switching sides. They say how you change like that, I got God inside. They say God ain't real, don't believe that lie. You live for God or this world, boy, go pick a side.